Thank you for stopping by. Really awesome to have you here with me. I have got a cracking video for you to start the new year with a bang. In a nutshell, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a $1 million income plan for 2025, and I'm going to show you how you can get virtual coaching on the $1 million plan by your preferred guru. So what I'm going to show you is exactly how with AI to map out that plan, but also adopt the personality of the guru or the expert or the person that you want to help. So I'm going to guide you through the exact prompt to use, and I'm also going to show you what that would look like and recommendations on how to do it based on what you're looking to do. If anything, what you'll get from this video is it's fantastic for mapping out strategy and also income, how many sales you need, how to do it. So let me show you this. It will be well worth your time. If you do like this video, do give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. I do appreciate you watching. Remember to pick up your 100 free AI prompts. They're 100 AI prompts that I've put together, which are my go-to prompts for pretty much everything that you can think of with affiliate marketing or owning your own product. These are tasks that I used to have to do manually to build my business, and I've put together 100 of them that you can make these tasks really easy with AI. So do check it out. It's totally free. There's no catch. You'll find the link in the description, and do subscribe if you're interested in building income streams in 2025 using AI, taking the workload off. And actually I'll show you that now. In fact, it all starts with a plan. So let's have a look at this $1 million plan. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so for your $1 million plan or whatever amount, I wanted to do something fancy. $1 million, Austin Powers style, but you can pick any target that you want. In terms of the guru or the expert, all I mean is pick who you want to be coached by. I've got an example here, but you'll want to make sure that whoever you pick is in line with what you're trying to do. Obviously, I know that is a given, but don't pick Dan Kennedy as the expert if you're trying to start a Shopify store. You'd pick Dan Kennedy if you're going to do copywriting or write sales pages. Don't pick like if you just wanted motivation or you wanted to really get some actionable ideas on how to take action, you might pick someone like Tony Robbins and so on. So pick a guru or pick an expert, whatever you want to call them. Pick someone that's really good, that's been about, that's top in their industry. Now, as an example, I'm going to pick Frank Kern. He is an internet marketing expert. I really like his stuff. He's been about for a long time, and pretty much the start of sort of online marketing, internet marketing. He was one of the first gurus, experts, and so on. So let me just read this prompt to you, and you can use a similar prompt for whoever you're wanting to get coaching by. So check this out. What you say to ChatGPT is, you are Frank Kern in this case, a marketing expert specializing in high-ticket products, coaching, and scalable revenue strategies. Your task is to create a detailed plan to generate $1 million in 2025, focusing on helping businesses set up email flows. Now, I've put that in. This bit here, you're obviously going to want to select what you want help with and make it congenial to the expert. Now, I know that Frank Kern would be really good at this because it's one of the things that he does really well. So make sure that whatever you're asking ChatGPT to do as this expert, make sure it's in line with their skills, and then break it down by product pricing, monthly targets, traffic strategies, funnel design, and content ideas. Include steps to build authority, attract leads, and maximize conversions. Ensure the plan is actionable, scalable, and rooted in proven methods. Respond with clear steps and examples. So you can edit that as you need for what you're trying to do, but check out how cool this is for a $1 million plan. Here's the detailed, actionable plan to generate $1 million in 2025 by focusing on helping businesses set up email flows. And just on that point, if you're going to do this, I recommend having a clear idea of how you're going to do it. Okay, it doesn't tend to work well if you'd say just give me some ideas. You can do niche research, but have an idea. Email flows. Okay, so then define the offer. It's given me step one. Okay, done for you. Core product could be done for you. Email flow setup, $10,000 per client, which includes strategy, copywriting, design, and implementation. A monthly add-on could be optimization and reporting. These are just ideas. You'd have to refine it. I'm not sure how that would work at that price, but just bear with me. Downsell product is a DIY email flow course, 997. Templates, video tutorials and checklists. Upsell product would be full funnel build out package, $25,000. Okay, just as an idea to start with. And then the cool thing is we've got 1 million a year is the revenue target. Done for you clients, 70 clients at 100,000 would be 700,000. DIY course sales, 300 units at 997 would be round about 300k. Upsells and retainers, 50,000 in added revenue. So it just gives you a really good idea. Okay, and then it goes on to say, okay, monthly targets to be able to get to that $83,000 a month would be done for you 6 to 7 clients a month. DIY course, 25 sales a month, and upsells 1 to 2 upsell clients per month. And then you've got build authority and how to do it, YouTube channel and so on. But I'll just show you this. Build authority and attract leads and how to do it. And then you've got funnel design mapped out. So top of funnel, like the lead magnet opt-in page. Thank you with an upsell to the DIY course. Webinar registration page, which is an automated webinar to offer the DIY course. So it's mapping out how the funnel could actually work to bring you in this revenue. Okay, middle of funnel, which top of funnel would be that's where they enter. This is what happens first, and then after they've been through the webinar, they're in middle of funnel, which they get a nurturing email series, and then the bottom of funnel is sales calls to book in strategy calls or retargeting ads if you're doing paid ads. And then maximize conversion, scarcity, social proof, guarantees. Content ideas, how to get traffic, targeted traffic. Traffic scaling, okay. Operations and scaling, so check this. If you're going to do all of that, you can hire freelance copywriters and designers to handle the client projects. Use tools like ClickFunnels, Zapier and ActiveCampaign for automation. Use email sequences for onboarding and client follow-ups. And then it's given a quick look at, by executing this plan you can build authority and so on. But that's just the step-by-step, really basic, okay, and it doesn't really help us much. But what you want to then do with each one of these steps, I'll show you with the first step here. What you would then want to do is, I've copied and pasted the first step up here, check this. So the first step is define the offer, core product, downsell product, upsell product. All I've taken is just the core product here, and I've got another prompt here, which is, I've copied and pasted, here's the core product, and I've said help me design the sales page for just the core product. Also suggest businesses to target that would need this service that will be able to pay $10,000 per client. Remember, you are Frank Kern and an expert. So you could see here, here's the sales page structure and strategy to sell your $10,000 done for you email flow setup. And you've got turn your email list into a 24/7 sales machine, done for you email flows that add 100k to your bottom line. Subheadline, custom built email sequences to nurture leads, recover lost sales and maximize return on investment without lifting a finger. Your email list should be leaving money on the table. Most businesses are sitting, and so on. So it's mapped out an idea for a sales page by adopting a very basic copywriting system. Headline, agitate the pain, position your offer. And again, if you wanted to go further than this, you could ask for an example of that sales page, okay? And it would map it out. So what I recommend doing with that plan is taking each section and getting more help with the, you could see the sales page, and I could do the same for each upsell offer and so on. Plus, what we can do is for step 2, monthly targets, I could ask it to give me an Excel sheet with a complete breakdown or give me a complete plan of what I should be, how many leads I should be getting, and so on. So for each of these steps, you can get more help by asking ChatGPT. But you could see that the sales page, but I also asked it what's the ideal businesses to target, and check this is gold. So to successfully sell a $10,000 service, target businesses that meet the following criteria. Revenue, minimum $1 million annual revenue. So they see email marketing as a revenue driver and not a cost. Pain points, they're struggling with lead nurturing, they're struggling with abandoned carts or customer retention. Niche fit, industries where email is crucial for ongoing sales and customer communication. And you've got here, check this out. Email brands, not email brands, e-commerce brands, niche retailers, subscription boxes, DTC brands, luxury goods. A skincare brand with a high average order value needs abandoned cart recovery and upsell flows. Software as a service companies, B2B, B2C software providers need onboarding, retention and upsell flows, and they need emails for it. Coaching and consulting, high ticket coaches who sell 5k to 50k packages and need email funnels to nurture leads. A business coach offering a 10k mastermind program. Digital product creators, course creators, info product sellers and membership sites. An online course seller with a 997 product needs a welcome and upsell flow. Service-based businesses, agencies, real estate firms, legal services and high-end health services. So the high-end health services would be really, really good, like either high-end like health retreats or even like villa holidays, something with a high cost where they need to they probably haven't got a very good email plan in place to be able to nurture those leads. And here we go. So I've sort of mentioned it, but healthcare and wellness providers, clinics, fitness brands or telehealth services. So you can see there exactly who to target, and then you just go through each step with this step 1, step 2, step 3, attract leads, and you can use each step to get help and be coached. And you can also add to it, so you could from the original prompt, give me a 10-day quick start plan. Now I'm just putting that in, give me a 10-day quick start plan as Frank Kern to help me implement the steps. Now I'm just putting the 10-day plan so it's quick on here to show you. But what I'd obviously recommend for something like that is like a 3-month plan and so on, so you could map out each each step, because you're going to need longer to do it. But you can see here, day 1, define your core offer, finalize your $10,000 done for you setup offer and the $2,000 a month optimization add-on. Create a simple breakdown of what's included. Day 2, identify your ideal clients, choose 2 or 3 target niches, so you're doing that beforehand. Day 3, create the lead magnets, develop a simple lead magnet, top 5 email flows that add 50k to your bottom line. Use Canva or hire a freelancer to design a professional PDF. Write a 3-part email sequence for leads who download it. Day 4, build a landing page. Day 5, launch paid ads. And again, you could change that if you wanted to do social. Day 6, nurture leads. Day 7, day 8, and so on. You'd want to widen that out, like I say, but I'm just saying the main point is the original prompt. Make sure it's in line with someone that's an expert at doing what you want them to. Focus on prompting, in this case ChatGPT, so they adopt that role, and then get specific help with each step by asking for, okay, breaking down as I did before, just the core offer, what could I offer? If anything, at the very least you're going to get some fantastic ideas. At most you can start a business, and of course change the million to anything you want, higher or lower. It will definitely give you more clarity and a step-by-step plan of how to do it, and then get out there. And obviously make sure that you're good at what you do. I'm just showing you how you can build a plan. Make sure that it's quality. But yeah, go and give it a go. Let me know if any questions. Have fun. Thanks for watching, and make sure you get your 100 free prompts in the description. Cheers guys, I'll see you in the next one.